Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. We're down here at the game store right here in Tysa Wells and Quartzsite. The RVerTV adult coloring books. This is a modern no man book right here. There are dozens of designs in here. All RV themed, cool sceneries, wildlife. Just fun. If you like doodling, if you like coloring, these books are for you. The Killer Camping Quotes. That's another book. All kinds of cool quotes about camping. Be sure to check them out. And how do you get them? Get over here to RVerTV.tv. This is the main website. Scroll down this section right here. It says grab a guide, grab some goods. Not only do we have the activity books, we have a brand new course, Work Campers course. Also travel guides, Quartzsite and Lake Havasu, more coming soon. Also, when you order the activity books, get them over here on Amazon. Fast and free shipping. Get yours today.